Traveling almost 2.5 hours from my recently resigned province of Sorsogon, I would like to say, as we gather here tonight in this pageant, let us all remember that we are not just spectators, but active participants in ongoing struggle for equality and acceptance. Let us all remember that every step we take on the stage is a step towards a world where love is not bound by gender, where acceptance is not limited by the societal norms, and where diversity is celebrated rather than feared. What a glamorous and a spectacular evening, people of Maslog, Legazpi City. The woman standing your naked eye is a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at the Bicol College. Also, I am the Operation Representative of Bicol Region Engineer Tourism and Hospitality Association of the Philippines. This is Don Lucero 21 from the land that celebrates Unod Festival, Municipality of Castilla, Province of Sorsogon. And before I end this, ako po ay mag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan, hindi po bastos. If you want me, then come with me. Call me, text me at 0909-553-4384. Again, 0909-553-4384. Again, 0909-553-4384. Once again, this is Don Maceda saying, this is your show. This is my time. And showtime.
Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang hiyawan dyan? By the way, ladies and gentlemen, I am Maria Solares High, 22 years old. I am from Bangkawan, Legazpi City, Province of Albay. Naniniwala sa mga kasabihan, ang batang good, very good. Ang batang bad, iba bad. Tapos sa mga makakabot na kapistahan, mapasayin ang pagbatagan, asin kaninigan. Ang simbag, mapakro kita. And to my special someone who is watching via online and Facebook, daita ka na pipilito na magstay sa buhay ko. Pero kung mahalik ka, maiba ko, and I thank you so much.
Just like candidate number 2, wala po bang hiyawin dyan? Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang pwedeng jiwain dyan? Joke lamang po. Isang makakalikasang gabi po sa inyong lahat. In my 20 years of existence in this world, I have become a strong believer that becoming a member of the LGBTQ and IE+ community is not to diminish our humanity. Because the real and only purpose of our living is to love and be loved, to contribute and be prosperous. Hi, hello, mabuhay. Standing in front of everyone is a third-year accountancy student who aspires of becoming a certified public accountant someday, and if destiny permits, pursue law school afterwards and be a certified public accountant lawyer. My name is Zaldi Arana Obido, proud and honored to represent the municipality that celebrates the Nito Talahib Festival, Municipality of Manito, Province of Albay. Zaldi Arana Obido na nagsasabi, Di bali ng tipo, basta dahil galo. Thank you, and good evening. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Kagawad Bird, wala pa bang pagkain dyan? Joke lamang po. Liberty, gravity, beauty, and talent. Or should I say, LGBT. Tonight, yes indeed, is a gathering of all the beauty icons all over the Ligas Peñas, fighting for one crown, one title. And as a pageant beggies, there's only one simple question that goes, who is the fairest of them all? So tonight, let us find out and witness the metamorphosis of struggling caterpillar transformed into a glowing and beautiful butterfly. Hi, hello, and mabuhay. Standing here in front of you is a fresh and an innocent 18-year-old standard. This is Ivy Bulawan, hailing all the way last from the fascinated, majestic way from the beautiful barangay of Humac, Legazpi City, province of Albay, na nagsasabing hindi po bastos, hindi rin po nakakatawa, ngunit pawang katotohanan lamang. Na bakla, bading, o charing-charing. Ano man pong lait ang itawag niyo sa amin. Amin po ang gabing ito, sapagkat simula dito hanggang dulo, tagahanga lang po namin kayo. At kailanman, hindi po natin makakatakasan ang katotohanan na minsan nila po kami inayat sa pangumagahan, kinutsa sa pananghalian. Ngayon pong gabi, kami po ang inyong pinagpupuyatan at pinapalakpakan. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Kanik number 4, Judges and Audience. Just sit back, relax, because it's showtime.
Mabataon man ang bahay ka. At hindi mo malakpak, masusunugan ang bahay. Sige, magkasulunod na ka mo. This is your queen, Mela Elie Chantal Amy, representing the majestic home of Ahon Festival, Barangay 33, Peñaranda, Legazpi City, province of Albay.
It's good to be back again. Good evening, people of Maslog. Good evening, panel of judges. This is your only one, baby girl, Val Andre, 22, Legazpi City, province of Albay. Thank you so much.
Joke lamang po. Graduated with a bachelor degree in computer science and took up business administration, major in finance management in University of Santo Tomas. My name is Rian Lopez and I am 13 years old this summer. 14. 15. Okay, ito na po yung totoo. I am 25 years old this summer, hailing all the way from the Rawis Swiss Festival of Albay, Rawis, Legazpi City. At hindi po ako mag-iiwan ng mga kasabihang hindi naman po nakakatawa. Ngunit, magbibigay po ako ng isang kataga na ang taong mapagmataas ay siyang ibinababa. At ang taong mapagkumbaba ay siyang itinataas. Therefore, we are born to be true and never, ever to be perfect. So sa lahat ng mga kandidata, let's give 100% of our performance tonight because the people deserve on it. And bago ko po iwanan ang intabladong ito, ang sasabihin ko lamang po, Happy Fiesta, Maslog! And I thank you.
What's up, people of Maslog? Inaantok na ba kayo? Gusto nyo bang magmahal? Etong puso ko ang hiling nyo. At dahil po birthday ko, may hinanda kong sorpresa sa inyo ang butihin nyo, Kapitan. Magsitayo po kayo at sa ilalim po ng inyong upuan ay may nakadikit pong sticker. Pag meron po kayong nakuha, tsak, pakiklaim na lang po kay Kapitan ang inyong premyo. By the way, my name is Mern Barion Vilar, 25, proud and honored to represent ang lugar na madaling madimanan pero natatahuli, masakit, malingawan. From Barangay 26, Dinagaan! At naniniwala po ako sa isang kasabihan na mahal ko po kayo. And I